Hey, this is Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialist. Today we have a short video for you on how to install an Intelliflo pump onto an IntelliTouch system. This also works with an EasyTouch system as well. We're going to go into the proper way to actually wire the pump up and wire up the cable, and then we're going to go over how to actually program the pump so that it's functioning correctly. With no further ado, let's get to how to do this.
Okay, when you're hooking up a Intelliflo pump, you need to hot wire the actual relay. So if we zoom into this, I want to show you that this would be the relay for the actual filter pump. This is a relay for the jet pump. So you'll notice that the line to this relay and the load to the pump are wired under the same lug on both hots. Then if you look at the jet pump, you'll find that the line and the load again are wired under the same lug. So this relay really is not turning the pump on at all. It provides power to the pump constantly because the signal to the pump that tells it what to do comes through a low voltage connection. If you do not have power to the pump and you send the signal out to tell it what speed it's at, then it cannot respond to those speeds, and it's going to have the incorrect speed when the pump actually turns on. Consider the pump like a computer where it actually has to boot, and that is why you always have the power connected to it. So this is of course the filter pump. The wire that is connected to the typical load side of the relay is the wire that's going out to the salt system, because you do not want the salt system on if that pump relay is not on and you do not have any flow going through that fault system. It is an extra safety. Here we have the actual communication connections, and what you'll see is the board has two COM ports on it. The one COM port you want for your screen logics, and so that's a primary one. The other COM port we use to go back to a board that sits in the back here, and that board is an expansion board. So you never want to have more than two wires in one connector. So you'll see that it comes in here, then we've got another connection for an antenna here, and then we have our pump connections down here. So it's important because you'll have loose connections if you try to jam a bunch of wires into one connector. So go ahead and we'll give you the part number for this expansion board in this video so that you can add that to your system as you add pumps.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, please drop us a like. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.